high temperature of 87, and there's a small 20% chance for a stray storm before sunset, but generally it's going to be a pretty mild evening. We'll still be at 70 degrees by midnight with some clouds working their way into the forecast. And then notice how storm chances really start to ramp up. An isolated shower or storm is possible tomorrow, but Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday in the morning, we've got our best chance for rain in quite some time, and then we'll see another round of storms potentially on Tuesday. But I want to focus on the weekend and the setup here. As we take a look across the nation, you can see there's some snow across the Rockies. This is around a low pressure system. This is going to be one of our main areas of lift for rain over the weekend. As we look toward the future cast, you can see that upper level energy and moisture getting even closer to Texas. At the same time, we'll have lower level moisture moving in from the Gulf. So the atmosphere is going to be stacked from top to bottom with a lot of water. And so that's good news when it comes to our rain potential. Then we've also got a front that's going to be moving through Texas. And it's going to be the focus of this front and when it moves through San Antonio to see our highest chance for storms, some of which could be strong or severe. This is a look at Saturday at 11 a.m. Notice it's still fairly quiet around San Antonio. So for the first half of Saturday, we're not really going to have much of a rain chance. It's after 2 p.m. that storms will start to blossom along that front as it moves closer to the Alamo City. Then once that front is through, what we'll see rounds of energy moving in from the southwest, and that's why we'll see continuing storm chances overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. And that'll continue through the first half of Sunday or so, and then the second half of Sunday is going to be fairly quiet. So just to kind of break everything down for you, here's what you need to know. On Saturday, storms are likely after 2 p.m. when that front moves through. And along that front, we really have to watch for any storms that can become severe, producing damaging wind gusts and perhaps even some hail. So be very on alert Saturday after 2 p.m. And then overnight, Saturday into Sunday morning, we'll likely see widespread rain. And what we'll have to do on Saturday night is watch for street flooding. So if you can stay off the roads on Saturday night, I think that is the best thing for you to do. And even into Sunday, not necessarily seeing a severe weather threat on Sunday, but we will see lingering morning rain on Sunday. How much rain could we see? This is important. It's going to be pretty streaky in nature. There will be those that get a lot of rain and those that miss out on rain. Most of us will see about an inch of rainfall. Some of us will see 3 inches of rainfall, and there could be some bullseyes of 4+. And it's those that get 3 to 4+ inches of rain where we'll really have to monitor for that risk for flooding. So just putting everything together for you. Again, in the afternoon on Saturday, that's when our storm chances really start to ramp up. They'll continue overnight. Cedar kind of leads the pack, but Oak is also present. As we look at the aquifer, it's actually up 1/10 of a foot, but it's still 40 feet below the monthly average. But take a look at this. The aquifer recharge zone in the red here, you can see that Saturday and Sunday, this area could get some decent rain. That would be good news for the aquifer. I'm going to have the latest, though, on how that good rain could come with a severe weather threat as well.